make a really small remote control car. Let's see. Maybe we could start with a large motor and a shaft. Let's get that in. Yeah, I think this might be a good start. Let's get like 2 of these pins. I think this is a good idea. Go like that. To have a casing for the differential. Back. Okay. Let's see, let's get the differential itself. Let's put a bevel here. Another bevel here. Let's see. Where's the other bevel here? Let's get another bevel here. Like that. And then let's carefully place that in the casing. Let's get a wheel, put a shaft into it. Okay. Actually, let's add a spacer like that, like this. And then let's put it through the hole. And put it in as much as possible. Okay, it's got spinning. Let's see. So the same with the other side. So get a shaft, spacer. Okay, got the under wheel. Let's place it like that. Okay, I think this is a good start. I just gotta think of a steering system. I think of using a 4-bar. So let's get this thing. Let's put these 2 pins, place them like this. Just found this in my pile. I guess we could keep that. A shaft like that. Let's see, we could. Yes, I got an idea. So I'm gonna put this thing like that. This thing. Like that. Be the mounting point for our steering. And then let's put a small channel thing. Let's put this thing right on there. Ooh, the shaft fell out. Okay, to keep the shaft from falling out, let's, I don't know, add a bar thing. Okay. Yeah, I'll just add this piece. Okay. And now let's just get another bar. Okay, we got the start of the 4-bar. Okay, so I think I could use like this piece and a 4-long shaft with cap to attach the wheel. So I'm gonna insert it into there. I guess I'll put this thing here instead of a spacer because I can't find a spacer. It's just not a slippery spacer. It's a slippery spacer, I meant. Yeah, I think that would work. Let's like place it here. Uh-oh, I don't know if this is stable, but oh well. I guess I'll try. Okay, now I've got that. Let's do the other side. This piece, a shaft, spacer, and one of these. Okay, let's see. Now I just gotta put this thing on. Okay, got that on. Okay. Now to attach the steering motor. I'm gonna put 5 long bar like that. And then let's grab the motor. It's attached to like this. And then let's connect them like that. Now I think let's get like this piece. And then put it like right there. Like that. Oh, there's already a thing there. This place. No. Let's place it one down actually. And then let's place. Actually, let's first put the hub in. Okay, and then put the shaft. Put a spacer in here. It doesn't seem like a lot of pieces. Now let's just hook this wire up. Let's see how to flip the hub. Let's plug it into the B port because that's always where I put the driving motor. A port steering motor. Okay, I think that's. Yeah, I think that's basically it. This is actually quite and not a lot of parts hard. It's actually pretty good.